Namaste and welcome to Learn Hindi with Reenu channel. How are you all? आप सब कैसे हैं? So earlier we did some around 2 parts of kitchen vocabulary, and after a long gap I am starting it again. This is part third. ये तीसरा part है of kitchen vocabulary. So let's see some items. How we will speak these items in Hindi. So let's start. शुरू करते हैं. Bottle. You say in English bottle. In Hindi we say bottle. ये बिल्कुल सिंपल है. Bottle. Bucket. Bucket is balti. Balti. T. Not T but T. This is palatal sound. Container. Container is dibba. People generally say dabba as well. Dibba or dabba. Fork. You eat something with fork. ये है कांटा. This is कांटा. In Hindi we say कांटा. Or sometimes we say fork as well. Then turner. You turn the chapati, the bread. This is called palta. 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 Funnel. We use this to put oil in some bottle or something else. That is keep. हिंदी में बोलते हैं keep. We say in Hindi as keep. फिर है the next item is just a minute. Mortar. Mortar is oakley. We crush something in this. We crush something in this. हम इसमें कुछ खोटते हैं, पीसते हैं. So इसको कहते हैं oakley. This is called oakley. Gas stove. गैस चूल्हा बहुत सिंपल है. Then microwave. Microwave is also microwave. Grater is kaddukas. Kaddukas. You crush something in this like coconut or anything else. Oven. Oven we call is tandoor. Oven को तंदूर कहते हैं. Oven is called tandoor. Lid. ढक्कन. Lid of something. Lid of bottle. So we say it ढक्कन. इसे ढक्कन कहते हैं. We call this as ढक्कन. Then scale. Scale. When you want to measure something in kg and all. So ये है तराजू. This is तराजू. तराजू. Serving bowl. Serving bowl is called डोंगा. This is not the small one but the serving one. Big one. बड़े वाली. So इसको बोलते हैं डोंगा. This is called डोंगा. Vessel. बर्तन. Vessel. बर्तन. Pot. Pot is मटका. We have earthen pot also here in India. तो pot is मटका. Pot को मटका कहते हैं. Pot is called as मटका in Hindi. Wooden spatula. लकड़ी का चमचा. Wooden spatula. लकड़ी का चमचा. Spice box. मसाला दानी. Where you can put different spices. So इसको कहते हैं मसाला दानी. This is called मसाला दानी. So this is how we did some items of the kitchen. These are very important items. How to speak these in Hindi? I told you. Revise this again and again and make a song like this. You can do bottle, bottle, bucket, balti, bucket, balti, container, dibba, container, dibba, fork, kaanta, turner, palta, turner, palta, funnel, keef, mortar, oakley, mortar, oakley, gas stove, gas chulha, microwave, grater, कद्दूकस ग्रेटर. कद्दूकस. ओवन तंदूर. लिड ढक्कन. स्केल तराजू, स्केल तराजू, सर्विंग बॉल डोंगा डोंगा डोंगा, सर्विंग बॉल डोंगा डोंगा डोंगा, वेसल बर्तन, वेसल बर्तन, पॉट मटका, वुडन स्पैथुला लकड़ी का चमचा, लकड़ी का चमचा, स्पाइस बॉक्स मसालादानी. So, if you are going to like these videos and these videos are helping you to speak Hindi well, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and like also. And you can share the videos with like-minded people who are also looking to learn Hindi like a native speaker. So, if you want any specific video about Hindi, then please comment me in the comment box. फिर मिलेंगे. सी यू अगेन. नमस्ते. बाय.